Hello and welcome to the video tutorials by Be Smart Education. In this series, we will guide you through various aspects of English grammar to help you improve your language skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos and tutorials. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started.
Welcome to our video on understanding EFL levels. A1, A2, B1, and B2. Learning a language involves progressing through various levels of proficiency. For English as a foreign language, EFL, these levels are commonly divided into A1, A2, B1, and B2. Each level has specific requirements in grammar, vocabulary, sentence structures, listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. Here's a concise guide to understanding what each level entails. The full requirements for level A1. At the A1 level, you'll focus on foundational grammar. This includes singular and plural nouns, definite and indefinite articles. You'll learn subject, object, and possessive pronouns. Verb tenses like the simple present, to be, to have. Common regular and irregular verbs. Present continuous, simple past tense, and modal verbs such as can, could, and must. Basic adjectives, adverbs of frequency and manner, and prepositions of place and time. You'll also use basic conjunctions and form yes, no, and what questions. A1 vocabulary includes personal information like name, age, nationality, occupation, and family members. Common verbs for daily activities, cardinal numbers, days, months, seasons, and telling time. Names of household items, places in town, common foods and beverages, basic adjectives for people and objects. You'll also learn basic directions and phrases for shopping, such as asking prices. At the A1 level, you'll form simple sentences, subject plus verb plus object, such as, I eat apples. For negative sentences, you'll use subject plus do, does plus not plus verb, like I do not eat apples or she does not like apples. You'll also practice questions. Questions start with who, what, where, when, why, or how, like what do you eat? Yes, no questions can be answered with yes or no, such as, do you like apples? In addition, you'll learn commands and requests. Commands are direct, like close the door. Requests are polite, like can you please close the door? Finally, you'll combine ideas using basic conjunctions like and, but, and or. For example, I like apples and oranges. I like apples but not oranges. Or, do you want apples or oranges? These skills help you construct clear and simple sentences in English. At the A1 level, your listening skills should allow you to understand basic, everyday expressions and very simple sentences. This means you can follow common phrases used in daily life, like greetings and simple instructions. You will also be able to recognize familiar words and basic phrases related to immediate needs, such as, where is the bathroom? Or, I need help. This foundational listening ability is crucial for basic communication in everyday situations. At the A1 level, you will learn to use simple phrases and sentences to describe where you live and the people you know. For example, you can say, I live in a small apartment, or my friend is a teacher. You will also practice asking and answering simple questions related to immediate needs or very familiar topics. For instance, you can ask, where's the nearest bus stop? And answer, the bus stop is around the corner. These basic speaking skills are crucial for effective communication in everyday situations. At the A1 level, you will develop the ability to read and understand very short, simple texts. This includes being able to comprehend basic written materials like brief notes, signs, and instructions. You will also learn to find specific, predictable information in simple, everyday materials. For example, you will be able to read and understand advertisements to find product prices, prospectuses to get basic details about a course, menus to choose your meal, and timetables to know when the bus arrives. These reading skills will help you navigate through common daily situations with ease. You will learn to write simple, isolated phrases and sentences. This includes being able to jot down basic thoughts and information like, I am happy today, or this is my book. You will also practice writing short, simple postcards, such as sending holiday greetings. For example, greetings from Paris. Having a wonderful time. Wish you were here. Additionally, you will be able to fill in forms with personal details like entering your name, nationality, and address on a hotel registration form. These writing skills are essential for basic written communication in everyday situations.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial by Be Smart Education. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, mastering English grammar is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos and tutorials. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Join our Facebook page, Be Smart Education, for more resources and community support. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.